So, let's try the Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream. Maraming may gusto nito. So, I got the shade number 25. This also has SPF 42, PA 4 pluses, and then this claims to provide a full coverage finish while offering skincare benefits to the skin to achieve an impeccable and moisturized complexion. So, 20 ml siya. 200 something ko lang to nabili. Let's start on this side. Blending it using my fingertips. I find that yung mga ganitong BB cream, ganyan, mas maganda siyang biniblend using your fingertips. I think I got the right shade for me. Yan yung itsura niya sa skin ko. Yung side na merong BB cream at ito naman yung wala. Kung mapapansin nyo, skin-like pa rin naman yung finish niya. Ang ganda ng finish nito and dries into a velvety matte finish. I like it so far. Ang ganda ng finish in fairness. So, I now know kung bakit hype na hype siya before. So, I'm going to finish my entire makeup and I'll come back. Yeah, ito na itsura ng aking face. Using the Misha BB Cream, parang improved skin. So, this is perfect for everyday. And lightweight siya sa mukha. I have oily skin. Wear test natin siya for a couple of hours.
8 hours after application ay ito na itsura na Misha BB Cream sa face ko. Nag-blot lang ako using a tissue paper and nagulat ako kasi ang ganda pa rin ng BB Cream sa skin ko or sa face ko. I highly recommend this BB Cream.